Hello and welcome, it's Julie Cube. I'm really trying to rescue this canvas. It was a 50-inch by I think 55. I had scraped it because I just didn't like what I put on it, and then I scraped back up the paint to see if I could retrieve all that paint. I was just going to scrape it and completely wash the canvas off and start again. But I thought, oh, it was such a lot of paint, that's why it looks so messy. So I just thought, come on, other people have got to have the same situation where they just don't like the outcome of one piece. So let's see if I can do something to help this canvas myself, but also show you that it is achievable to get something nice out of a complete disaster. So I am using, obviously the background is just a mixture of all the colours that I'd scraped. So it does kind of look like a cafe latte colour. It is very metallic background because there was lots of metallics in the previous paint. So I put fluoro pink, fluoro yellow, cool orange, cool red should I say, the white. The white has just got Australian Floetrol in, and then a little squirt of black. So I just think with those fluoro pinks and fluoro orange that it might just really lift that really yucky kind of background. So let's just see what I get. If not, I can scrape the whole thing, wash my canvas off and start again. But I just want to push the boundary and see what I can get out of a disaster.
Fully quiet and slow. I try my best to move on, letting go. Tell me, should I know? Just tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should have known that you'd be leaving me so
Blow, 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 blow. Well, I'm going so lightheaded here. I do have to stand back on point and just kind of steady myself because I did go a little bit lightheaded. So of course I'm using my bendy straw. Well, it's a stainless steel straw with a silicone end, which I just found in a discount store. You can put them in the dishwasher and everything and they still come out great, those straws. So my straw does look a bit paint ridden, but they've all been through the dishwasher several times. It just seems to leave the paint on them. So I think it just needed another one there. And certainly that fluoro pink and orange has really give that background a pop. But of course I won't finish it there. I'll add a little bit of balloon work in the very centre of those blooms because it always gives more detail to them.
Was it all just a dream, just all in my head? Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said.
So my big balloon is literally giving the kiss of life to this canvas. I know most of you may say, I will just scrape it, I'll scrape it, but I actually did not scrape this one. It is drying nicely on my bench top right now. I really thought it may crack because of all the previous paint underneath, but it's really drying, you know, quite vibrant, even though it's definitely a little bit darker than this, you know, what you see here. So if you think that you can push on to something that you like and that you feel you can even gift to someone, then it's all worthwhile. So I believe in this instance, for me, it was well worth pushing on. I enjoyed the process, even though frustrated at the beginning because I had scraped canvas, but I really enjoyed this one. So I'm hoping that you like it too. So wait on for the end results.
You're watching me stare